Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to end tasks in Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to end task, first of all go to Start and search for Task Manager. Over here on the top, you will find this Task Manager. Click on this and over here you can see here are different tasks going on. I'll stop this Google Chrome for now. Now to stop this Google Chrome, click on Google Chrome, right click and over here you can find this End Task. Click on this and you can see our Google Chrome's task is stopped. So in this way we can end tasks in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.